Hey folks, welcome to Ordinary Investor. Today, Fisker Inc., ticker FSR, the EV startup that crashed, shares at 0.09, down 99.9% since IPO. Could it 5x? Spoiler, no. It's bankrupt. Let's unpack the wreckage, lessons, and what's next. Smash like for EV disasters. Fisker, launched 2020 via SPAC at $10, promised ocean SUV. Strengths? Cool design, Magna deal. Weaknesses? Chapter 11. Bankruptcy, $800 debt, zero revenue. Versus Tesla's 10% net or Rivian's 50%. Fisker's 1000% net is game over. The numbers. Margins? Negative everything. Debt $800 plus, equity wiped, no side income. Since 2020 IPO, down 99.9%. S&P up 100%. Check this chart, insert table, graph. Ahead, 2030, gone. Assets sold, stock delisted. Risks, total loss. Upsides, none. No dividends, no aristocrat. Returns, short-term 0%, long-term 0%. Versus Nasdaq's 150%, Fisker's 99.9% is a warning. Insert table, graph, lesson, SPACs plus EVs, sure high risk. Avoid bankrupt stocks, bullish on EVs by Tesla. Comment your EV pick, subscribe for more crashes. Thanks for watching.